day here in Tennessee, and we're going to take a little trip north to Bowling Green, Kentucky. Most people know of Bowling Green for the National Corvette Museum, the National Corvette Museum Raceway, also Beach Bend Raceway. So there's a company up here that I'm really interested in. It's called Repliclassics, and we're going to check out what kind of products they have and talk to the people there and just see a little bit more about their company. So ride along with us, and we'll talk to you as soon as we get there. All right, I am here at Repliclassics, and I got a couple gentlemen I want you to meet, and I want them to explain to you what kind of products and services they offer here. So I'm going to turn over to Brian first. He can introduce himself and kind of tell you a little bit more about Repliclassics.
Hey guys, I'm Brian Jones, one of the owners of Repliclassics. We're located right here in the heart of Bowling Green, Kentucky, within 8 hours of about 80% of the United States Transportation District. It's a great opportunity for this community. But what Repliclassics does, we have 3 divisions of Repliclassics. We have our parts division, where we basically have sheet metal, any type of parts from your steering columns to light switches, brake lights. But we specialize in 67 to 72 Chevrolet trucks and 69 to 72 Blazers. But a broader horizon we also offer sheet metal for any type of muscle car, your tri-fives, anything you could think of. We can even get some Ford material as well. So if a customer needs it and we can get a hold of it, really what we pride ourselves on is we also save on the shipping costs. Our customers tell us that, man, I couldn't get it shipped to my house, or I didn't have a tow motor to pick it up, or I didn't have the extra hands. So that's a lot of things that we have that we can offer, and also damaged parts. So we do a $5,000 a week order through all our vendors, which gives us free shipping. And with that, when it comes in, if it's damaged, we're able to refuse that piece or get a credit on it, and we get your new piece coming in. That way you don't have to worry about that.
That's a big thing.
It is a big thing.
Or something that sometimes we've actually fixed the problem and just for the customer, that way they can have it because they're needing it for that day.
And that's the cool part about being a local company like this, is that even if you're coming in, because there's so many things to do in this area, as I showed earlier as I was coming in, you have National Corvette Museum, you've got Beach Bend. There's reasons people are here, or they know somebody that's coming here that can bring a part back with them and save you on shipping, because that can make a huge difference, especially if it's a big purchase like a bed, for instance.
We had a guy came here a few weeks ago, literally walked in the door to buy a hood and left with $6,000 worth of parts because he saved $2,000 in shipping.
Exactly. That's the cool part about you. So tell me some other services you offer here, but just besides shipping.
Sure. Well, introduce my brother Gary Jones.
I'm the one that makes all the dreams come true.
He's the one. He's the pretty he's the pretty in the picture,
I'm
right?
Metal fabricator, paint body, shop manager, the guy that has to run around and cuss everybody because nothing's getting done.
And they do some good work, and we'll show you some clips here of some of the stuff that I've taken while I was here. So that's awesome. They actually do really, really good work here. I'm really impressed. I was more impressed that I was coming up to look for a stuff for the truck,
Sure.
and turn around and find out that they not only service that, but they had a GTX sitting up on the lift, and they've got a bunch of tri-fives and some even Ford stuff and Ford beds that I was pretty impressed with. So go ahead, tell me some more things that you guys offer.
Run around 8 employees. So that's a big deal to us. We're local with Bowling Green Technical College, where we employ an intern. We're always looking for help. They're obviously the body technician side of it. It's our bottleneck in the industry. Gary's quick to fabricate and get it to the body shop, but our body shop is our bottleneck. But
We have some great technicians, but
yeah,
you know, we can always use more. We literally have 21 trucks and cars sitting out in the shop right now that need something done to them.
So if you're looking for a place of employment, give these guys a ring. Just make sure you got your act together.
that's it.
Skilled laborers.
Skilled laborers. That's right. That's right.
We try to put out the best product, the highest quality product possible, because there's days that Gary makes them redo it, and he calls me and says, "Hey man, don't charge the customer for that, because we got to be better." So, and our customers, we had great customers. We couldn't do it without them.
Yeah.
So, but just our following and let people know who we are and what we do and where we're at. So, that's my main goal this year is those three things, what we do, who we are, and where we're at. So that's what I want to really push.
We want new customers to just come in and check us out, see that we're real.
Right.
Yeah.
See that, we're literally, we've grown up around a family business, and we try to treat all our customers like they're part of our family once they come in the door. We're not going to have you call us and be like, what's the part number before I give it to you?
Right.
We'll be like, hey, we can get you exactly what you want, when you need it, how you need it, whatever you want done.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And the other part that I noticed when I was walking around, you can build a complete truck from the ground up. I mean, you'll see some clips here of chassis that are complete chassis, and they have the replica bodies that they can put on that and build you a truck from scratch. So if you're a guy who always wanted, for instance, a C10, they can hook you up with the C10 that you would have ordered off the showroom floor, but it's a modern day
we actually
vehicle.
just started a complete body Blazer or truck is $17,000, but we're actually offering a completely painted body. If you bring our chassis, drop it off to us, let us bolt it up, do all the body work and paint, and that usually runs around that $40,000 mark, but it's not stuck in body shop jail for 3 years.
Exactly.
We usually give 12 to 16 week turnaround time from start to finish, from the day we start building that body until the day they pick it up.
That's awesome.
And pretty much any color you want, unless you want some crazy candies or something like that, the price does go up according to the paint, because some of this paint is outrageous.
And we're getting into that time of year where people are starting looking at the projects for next year. I'm the same way. I'm doing a square body, and you guys have followed that along.
We'll get so busy, we won't know which way to go.
So if you're needing that kind of work done, reach out to them early so you can get on their schedule, because for what I found out with these guys is they're going to do whatever is going to make the customer happy, and that's what's going to build their business. So I'm really excited to be able to come up today and just check everything out. Hopefully you'll be seeing some of their products on my truck, so you can watch that, how a normal everyday redneck throws a truck together with their parts. So I think that's gonna be kind of cool, and hopefully we'll see that out in the spring too. So is there anything else you guys want to?
We welcome, the guy that can only afford to spend $200 a month, and the guy that wants to spend $200,000 a month. We don't have any in between. There's no. We have quality, of what we want done, and I won't do anything better than or less than that.
Right.
But I want people to understand that you don't have to have $200,000 in your savings account to come see us and have us build you something.
Right.
Another thing, like with my business today, just come see us. You don't have to spend anything to come see what we do, where we're at, and it's just the enjoyment of being around like-minded people.
That's it.
Appreciate you visiting us today.
Yeah, no problem at all. So if you're looking for anything, small or large, give them a holler, because honestly, the time you go out and order something through a catalog, they tack $200 worth of shipping on it. You could step right up here. You need a set of fenders, they're going to have them. You're going to need a door, they've got them. So reach out to them on any kind of vehicle that you're dealing with, except for Corvettes, because they're plastic. But if you're needing sheet metal, you're needing any kind of custom work done, these are the guys to talk to. So We're going to put some video up here, show you a little bit more of what we've got, and then we'll kind of start off here in a little bit. Thanks, guys. I want to thank you all for tuning in to Garage 3030. If you're in the Bowling Green area, of course, stop by Repliclassics, tour their facility, see what they have. Also, if you haven't by now liked and subscribed, please do so. It helps the channel out so much. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a good one.